Hi, my signing friends. Today we're going to talk about restaurants. I'm going to take an R to either side of my mouth. Restaurant. Let's talk about what we can drink. We can drink coffee. Bottom hand is moving in a circle. We could drink tea. I'm going to make an F with my dominant hand in a circle. We could drink water, W to the chin. We can drink juice, J to the cheek. We could drink soda, base hand is a cup, dominant hand is going to go in and out like that. So middle finger in and then out. Soda, Coke, Pepsi, you're going to cross yourself with an I, or lemonade, lemon drink. Let's review. Perfect. Then when I want to drink, I can have a small, a medium, or a large. Now let's talk about food. So we can eat at Chipotle with a C, start at your shoulder, dominant hand, Chipotle. You could eat at Wendy's with a W, Wendy's for her braids. You could eat at Starbucks. I'm gonna flick, Starbucks. You could eat at Subway. This is also the sign for Subway, like going on the subway. So Subway, sandwich. How about Taco Bell? Taco Bell. You can also do TB for Taco Bell. Chick-fil-A or chicken fillet. Chick-fil-A. Make an M and make an arch for McDonald's. McDonald's. Or MD. Burger King. Make the hamburger, and then with a K, you're going to do the sash. Burger King. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. I'm going to take the V, bend it down for the double Z's to an A. Pizza, and then fingerspell Hut. You can always fingerspell any restaurant that you go to that you don't know the sign for. And if you're with a deaf person, maybe they'll show you. Okay, let's practice them. I messed up. And it's okay if you mess up, just keep practicing. Let's talk about more things you can do. You can order. You're going to order and then you're going to say please and thank you. You can also say more please. Or check please. Or menu please. Then when I order, I have to pay. So I can pay in cash, C-A-S-H. I could pay in money, I could pay in dollars. I could pay in credit card or credit card. Cost, how much? So let's talk about money. It can cost $1. I can shake the one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or I can say $1, $2, $25. This is a sign for cent. So I can say cent 1, cent 2, cent 3, cent 25, cent 75, etc. So if I say cost how much? $2.25. My lemonade drink cost how much? $1.25. Your Chick-fil-A cost how much? $10 and cent 5. Your Taco Bell costs how much? My Taco Bell costs $5. Then I can say expensive or cheap. Your Taco Bell cheap. Thank you so much for signing with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see all the videos. Keep practicing.